So it's another kind of a mixed one. So yeah. These ones, they can they're meant to be hair bands, but I like them to be stretchy, and I like to use them as stretchers. And then these are magnets. These hum when make a nice noise when they touch. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but yeah, so I really like these. I've got 6 of them. And then this, I'm not sure why I like this, I just do. And then this is a light bulb. It's a light as well, but I like clicking it. So yeah.